Quake with MamaQuake here.
MamaQuake! Woo!
And today we're making cupcakes.
Woohoo! Okay, wait. He says cupcakes, but these things are huge. These molds that we're using for these Halloween decorated cupcakes, they're like mini cakes. They're huge. Those are big cupcakes. You're gonna be lucky.
So we mostly don't have cupcakes. We have a lot of frosting and a lot of other stuff. So we got this type of frosting, just regular chocolate and vanilla frosting. Then we got this cookie icing, and we have a bunch of different flavors. We have this chocolate flavor, vanilla flavor, and especially this orange, I don't know, flavor. Maybe pumpkin spice.
Woo!
And we got this glitter icing stuff.
Yeah, big creepy eyes maybe.
And especially the sprinkles.
Sprinkles. We're gonna have fun decorating.
And just to tell you, we got all this from Target.
Yeah, special thanks to Target. Thank you, Target.
Mama, this is not a brand deal.
Okay, Quinn, we got everything ready. What do we do next?
First, we need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
Second is mixing in all the ingredients.
Next, we're gonna beat it.
So what is this thing you're holding?
It's a new beater we bought just today.
Target.
And yeah. So I think how we use it, you just put it in there, and then you move this valve, turn it on, and then you just like mix it up. Yeah.
You're making me nervous. I think you're gonna make a huge mess. So the key, the major trick for this is to, number one, monitor your kids. Watch what they're doing because we could have batter all over the faces. Do we want batter in the faces or in the belly?
In the belly.
After it's cooked and delicious, right? So the first step, as you can see on this dial here, it's got off and then it's got higher speeds. Every mixer is gonna have that, higher speeds. So the first step is put the entire blades down into the bowl, all the way down, touching the ground. Once it's there, now you can turn it on. Ready? There. No, just, yeah, keep it low and then you slowly turn it. Now we're seeing a little bit of batter splatting, but that's okay. Actually turn it down to 1, Quinn. And just now move it around the bowl and I'll hold it steady. Make sure we get all those nooks and crevices.
Now we're gonna put them in.
All right, let's do this. So I'm gonna put it in the same rack together.
Next, we're gonna decorate them.
All right, here we go. And as you can see, some of them, the mold didn't work super great, so I think maybe we'd try it next time with brownies. I think the density of the brownies is a little too light, maybe. But we're gonna try to emphasize it in the decorating. You joker.
Why? Not my fault.
Well, not your fault. What do you mean, not your fault?
I didn't know that it wasn't open.
You didn't.
Didn't.
Okay, I'm gonna do a border around mine. God, this black kind of looks gray a little.
Yeah. See that?
You see that? Okay, now I'm gonna just outline.
I'm gonna try to get some black stuff.
Yeah.
Just gotta squeezy, squeeze, and you gotta squeezy, squeeze, squeezy, squeeze, 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 squeeze.
How about this?
And make sure you cover the eyes. Make black eyes, then orange teeth.
Yeah. I mean, this is a lot of frosting. Wow. That's a little bit of a sugar overload. So that's why this thing's so good with a cupcake, because it really just slathers it on. So there you can do it that way, or with Quinn technique like this. Here, let me put a little bit more on and you can spread it around.
Crazy, crazy,
You don't want to see that brown. Making a circle? While he's doing that, I'm gonna do this skull on here. So even though the mold didn't really come out, you can still see the impression of where it was, so it's helpful, right? Because if you didn't have that, it would be pretty hard. That kind of looks like a wrestler mask.
Wait, then.
Oopsie, I got a little bit. It's okay. I'm just gonna fix it with my finger. Hey, why are you making droopy eyes? Those are some serious droopy eyes.
He got some weird eyebrows. That's what.
Okay, well here's the washcloth if you need it for your hands, because this stuff is sticky. Wow, look at our guy. He's got glitter in his eyeballs. I'm gonna make this one around here.
Giving him bloody teeth.
Bloody teeth. What did he do to get some bloody teeth? What did he do?
So now we're done making the cupcakes. We can eat them.
Woo! Time to eat them. We did a pretty good job. I wasn't sure about the molds, but you can see we used the eye sockets and the nose sockets. We put some mouths in. This one right here, Quinn went a little nutso. Look at how much candy that person's gonna get. It's crazy. Hey, don't touch it. I think that one's yours, right? Yeah, you got your eye on that one, huh? So we had a good time. And we're gonna make these for our Halloween party coming up. Pretty excited for it. You'll see those decorated too. What do you gotta say about that?
Make sure you subscribe, ring that bell,
And leave a comment. Let us know what you think. How would you make it?
and give us a thumbs up if you like what we're doing. And yeah!
Yeah! Woo! What do you say?